Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing a cup of Aneurysm. If you don't know what an aneurysm is, please do your homework and go find out what aneurysm is. If you don't have a dictionary, then sucks to suck. Oh, that's a sight. A burst, silent, sudden, splitting through my mind like lightning behind my eyes. Heat floods unbearable before everything slows, thickens, distorts. A single frozen moment stretches too long, then shatters. Holy shit. No. Okay, that is messed up. So that is called a creepy coral. I don't know how this resembles coral, but that's definitely creepy. Good golly. Alright then. That is the cup of aneurysm. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye. Oh god, num-nums. Why do you look like you want the num-nums? That's creepy.